Pizza like you've never seen before. Chocolate like never before. Today I bring you Pure Magic Deuce Choco Pizza. Hi, I'm Mini Mathur and today on the Britannia Dessert Carnival, I'm going to be making a Pure Magic Deuce Choco Pizza. Sounds exciting? Let's go. So I've got my pizza base already out of the oven. My base is already here. You guys can use a ready-made base. Like I said, first I'm going to take chocolate syrup. You can also do chocolate ganache if you like. And I'm going to pour it all over this pizza. Make sure that your sauce is not very sweet because eventually it's going to be topped up with ice cream as well, and that will make it too sweet. So the base is done. This is your equivalent of a pizza sauce. Now I'm going to add marshmallows. Just make sure that you put like a few because when we gratinate it, it's going to melt and be the equivalent of the mozzarella cheese that you put on pizza. So it's really funny because you have ingredients in desserts which are just the same as what you would do for a savory pizza. And now I'm going to take these Pure Magic Deuce biscuits. It's actually amazing because these biscuits have such an innovative form. It's like one side of the biscuit with pure chocolate and white chocolate on top of it. You know, when I was a child, I used to take all the chocolate cream biscuits, take the top off and eat it like this. And now the Pure Magic Deuce is exactly that. And right now it's working as a perfect barrier between my pizza crust and the toppings. It's really innovative what they've done to it. So I'm going to put all these crushed, broken up biscuits over it. I'm going to put some berries and sprinkle some brown sugar just to add that crunch, and it melts so beautifully when you gratinate it. It's unbelievable. Now let me give you a chunky tip of the day. This pizza lends itself so well with different occasions and different festivals. For example, if you're having like a festival dinner, you can always replace the chocolate ice cream and the vanilla ice cream with like a kesar pista or a rajbhog ice cream and put like chopped, you know, crumbles of barfi on it. When mango is in season, you can use fresh mango, strawberries. They're just, the possibilities are infinite. So when the kids have done well at exams, Pure Magic Deuce Choco Pizza is the one to go for. I'm going to put this in the oven now so that it gratinates nicely for a few minutes. It'll all melt and become chewy, become the perfect pizza. You know, this pizza can have so many interpretations. Your children can make what you want. It's really a creative sort of a dessert where you can put in every topping that's your favorite. This particular dessert is actually just a creative minefield. Now I'm going to add some scoops of vanilla ice cream and chocolate ice cream on it. So here is what I will do just to make it look really pretty. You can put strawberries when they're in season. You can put wild berries. When kids are making it, they can make like cute faces. Yes, this pizza is ready. What's special about this pizza is that you can customize it with your favorite ingredients and you can have your very own personal dessert. If you really like this recipe, press like, do share it with your friends if you can. And if you want more from the Britannia Dessert Carnival, then just subscribe to us. It's bye for now.